All right, good morning YouTube. Today we're going to adjust the deck height on this John Deere L111 automatic. There's two different types of decks for these. This is the one has the adjustment on it. Some of them have just an adjustable rod that replaces this section. Anyway, to adjust your deck height, you have three height adjustment points. You've got this on both sides. You can see the nut on the other side, and then you have the front that you can tighten or loosen the front bolt to adjust the height of the front and make sure everything's level. So today I'm going to raise the back of this deck up. Basically just loosen these, lift up on it. You can see it's already loose. So basically you just lift up on this, make that bracket shorter, and that'll raise the height of the deck. Okay, it's really difficult without the tripod to video that, but as you can see, I've taken up the slack in the bottom of that bracket. Basically, just loosen that nut, tap on the top of the bracket. It moved it down to the bottom, and now I'm gonna go do the other side. Helps to lift the mower up and give yourself some extra room. But here's the bracket on this side. Basically gonna just do the same thing. Okay, and this is your third height adjustment for the front of the deck. It's right here. It's, again, a 15 mil. Got to use a wrench because of the muffler, everything here, but if you tighten it, it raises the front of the deck. If you loosen it, it lowers the front of the deck. So your deck has to be as level as possible to get good results when you're cutting the grass. But those three spots are where you adjust the deck height on this.